Did you know the GDPR values privacy over user experience? It is officially referred to as Regulation EU 2016-679. The GDPR is a legal framework and thus utilizes legal language and terms. It has 173 recitals. Recitals state what GDPR is trying to achieve. 11 chapters. Chapters are headings of sections. And a total of 99 articles, which lay down the rules of the GDPR. Organizations were given a leeway of 2 years to implement the GDPR, so no more grace period is allowed to fall in line. Note that the GDPR is not an optional framework, it is mandatory to be followed. There's more to GDPR. Let's get to it.